everyone! Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and like. So for today's video, I'm going to answer kung paano mag-return ng item sa Shein. But before that, gusto ko muna i-share sa inyo yung recent Shein purchase ko, which I spent lang 999 pesos for 10 items, including 5 bath bombs, yung bago ng Shein, which I will also review kung ano lang yung scent nila kasi I can't review yet kung maganda ba sila sa skin or maganda ba sila sa bathtub mismo, ganyan. So, scent lang muna tayo and packaging. And then, I'm going to show you then how I got all of these items for only 999 pesos. So, hindi lang yun. Doon sa 999 pesos na yun, I got one item for only 2 pesos and another one for free. Okay, so first, I got these tatlong chain mask. Para sila sa face mask. And then, parang hindi mo na kailangan hubarin. Or if huhubarin mo yung face mask mo, then dito lang siya. Like, parang necklace lang siya. Hindi mo na siya kailangan ipatong sa kung saan. Ganyan. And then, I also got etong 5 items, 5 clothes. 3 for my daughter and then 2 para sa akin. Para lang sa mga twinning moments namin. So, I'm gonna show here then all of them. Para I don't have to like open them anymore. So, after that, ito yung nakuha kong free. Actually, yung mga choices ng free nun is a tote bag, this one, and a wallet. I really like the tote bag. Kaso, the moment na I checked out, hindi na daw siya available. So, I had to change it with this towel. I'm just gonna quickly show you the towel para, di ba, ma-encourage kayo to buy whenever there's free. So, this is it. It's like a long face towel. It's not a body towel. It's more of a face towel. Pero pwede ito sa beach kasi it's microfiber din. So, medyo absorbent siya. And okay din yung size niya. It's just for travel size. So, these are naman the bath bombs and bubble baths na nakuha ko sa Shein. Parang bago tong mga to eh. Parang newly released lang nila. So, i-test lang natin yung scent nila. If kine-claim, yung claims ba nila sa scent nila is really yun yung scent na mismong bath bomb and bubble bath. So, let's smell this one muna. If yung claims niya na amoy daw siyang cool water is totoo nga. So, let's open it and then smell lang. Oh, yeah, it really smells like that. Siguro, I'll order more. Pero, alam nyo, I really expected bigger. Pero kasi sobrang mura lang ng mga to. And one of them, I got lang for 2 pesos. So, diba? So, this one naman is a bubble bar. And it says na it should smell like strawberries. So, let's open it and try to smell it. Oh my god, it really smells like strawberry. Yeah, it smells really. So, this is the second bubble bar. Dito nga pala sa likod, may expiration date na 2024 pa. So, this one, walang nakalagay kung ano dapat yung scent niya. So, I'll just guess kung ano yung amoy niya. It smells like a baby powder. I don't know if it's supposed to smell like that, pero it smells like baby powder. Look, there's a little heart in the middle pa. It smells good. Alam nyo, nakapack pa sila ng ganito. Pero, amoy na yung scent nila. Ang bango na. So, this one. It's so cute. I don't know if it smells like cotton candy. So, this is the last for the bath bombs. Ito yung pang 5. And I think ito yung nakuha ko for 2 pesos. It says na it should smell like ice cream. So, let's see. Again, the expiration date is also 2024. It doesn't smell like ice cream. Although it's cute. Parang, amoy ano siya? Amoy CR. Hindi siya masyadong mabango. So, yung dalawang bath bomb na nabili ko, yung po kanina and this one, hindi sila masyadong mabango. So, that's it for my mini haul. And gusto ko lang i-share kung paano ko sila nakuha for only 999 pesos. Lahat ng items na yun is 999 pesos lang. So, I'm gonna show you on my phone yung purchase history ko para sure tayo. So, I'm looking at my payment details right now. My retail price is 2,482. My subtotal is 1,973. Pero, I got my shipping fee for free. And then, I got a discount of 295 by using this code. And then, I also used all of my Shein points na 1,181. So, na-less pa yung pinamili ko ng 568. So, I also used my PayPal as a payment method, which gave me 111 discount. So, my total is 999 na lang. My tip is you always check in every day para makakuha and makaipon kayo ng points, and always feel those reviews para magkaroon din kayo ng points whenever you buy. Kasi malaki din yung makukuha yung points dun eh. Siguro mga nasa 300, 400 pesos per purchase. Depende kung gaano kadami yung pinurchase nyo. And then, always wait for free shipping. And then, you also have to use codes. I have some on my TikTok account. So, if you don't know kung anong gagamitin nyo, just use those codes. And also, my personal tip is to buy yung mga sale items nila. Browse first on the sale items kasi sobrang dami nilang sale item na magaganda and mura pa, and may sizes din naman. So that's it for the tips. Let's answer na your most requested video, which is the how to return items on Shein. So, ito yung item na delivered ko. So let's just click. You go to the view all, me, and then view all, and then all orders, and then yung order nyo, na recent order nyo, or yung order nyo na kung nasaan yung gusto nyong i-return na item, you just click return item, and then it will ask you, have you received your order, and you click yes, and then after that you select which item you want to return, and then reason for return. For example, mine is size is too small, and then pipili ka doon kung ano yung maliit na size. Like for me, let's say it's the bust, and then you confirm. You can also upload photos like proof kung ano yung, kung masikip ba talaga. And then you click next step. But also pala, some of the items na binibili, they can't be returned, like free items or personal hygiene na items. You can't return those. So, may lalabas na note. It will say na, please be sure all the items you wish to return have been added to return list all at once to avoid additional return fees. So, ibig sabihin may return fees. So, you choose okay, and then it will load, and then you will select your return application method. So, refund method, let's say Shein wallet, it takes about 24 hours. And then, original payment account, that's kung ano yung, kung saan ka nagbayad, like kung online payment ba yan. Pero it will take 1 to 5 business days. So, let's say Shein wallet na lang. And then, we will also choose the return method. You can choose parcel shop or self-sending. Yung parcel shop, ito-drop off mo siya dun sa mga listahan ng mga available shops nila. Kung saan yung malapit sa inyo, pero kasi sa amin, like for example, sa amin, walang malapit. So, let's say, I'll just return by myself at my own cost. Then, let's confirm that. And then, they will give you this authorization number, return ID, and then you will also be, and then they will also give you the return address. And then, you just submit that and you wait for a text message or an email. Kayo na bahala kung gusto nyo bang i-return, i-resell, kasi medyo hassle eh. May bayad yung shipping, and then meron ding hassle din sa paghahanap kung saan yung kanilang mga return shop. So, ganun lang kadali ang mag-return ng item. Pero yun nga lang, medyo hassle because of the fees and all the inconvenience. Ganyan. If I were you, you just post it on your Facebook account, Instagram account, and ask your friends kung gusto ba nilang bilhin na lang yun. Especially if yung problem lang naman is size. So, that's it guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and like this video if naging helpful ba ako sa inyo. And you can always drop your questions kung ano pa yung gusto nyo haul, kung ano pang questions nyo, or mga tutorial na gusto nyo. You can always drop them in the comments para magkaroon din ako ng idea kung ano pang gusto nyo makita sa aking YouTube channel. Also, don't forget na meron tayong ongoing giveaway once we reach 5,000 YouTube friends. I'm going to give away to Shein, parang gagawa ako ng I'll curate gift box out of Shein items, and pipili ako sa mga loyal friends ko on YouTube and Instagram as well para naman makapag-giveaway ako sa inyo sa panonood nyo ng videos ko and pag-support nyo sa journey. So, thank you for watching, and don't forget to also watch my other videos kasi ang dami na itong videos ko, and that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!